my channel. My name is Mia and this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look here that I've created. It's very fall / sunset inspired. If you like it, please like the video and comment below any suggestions you have for any future video or tutorials that you'd like to see. I do have some ideas in mind for a lot of things that I'd like to have coming up here in the future, so keep an eye out for that. And you know, you can subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of all that that's coming up, so keep on watching. So right now I just set my eyes with some concealer, and then I'm going to go over that with some setting powder. And that's just going to give you a fresh base for your eyeshadow, so it'll go on even. And we're going to be using the James Charles palette. Start off with just a small amount. You don't want to go too heavy-handed, and then you just want to build the color up until you get to the color that you want. I'm just going to get a little closer so you can see more what I'm doing. Like, I edited this a lot, guys, and I blended for a long time. Like, I had to cut that short. And you're just going to do the same thing with this color. You're going to use small amounts at a time, and then just build the color up to the one you want. And then I went back and I used that same brush that I used for the orange color, and I'm just blending the edges together. That's my favorite color. And with this one, I'm just kind of packing it into my eyelid. I'm not really swiping, it's more pushing. And you just pat it on until it gets to the shape that you want. And then I'm going to do the same thing under my eye that I did on the top. And then I couldn't decide which one I wanted to use. And I went ahead and I did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. And my eyebrows. I forgot to say that in the beginning. So now I'm just gonna start applying my foundation and doing all my concealer, highlighting, contouring. And don't come for me because I know I look a hot mess. It was late when I did this. I was literally just trying to record it so that I could do it and stop making excuses, you know? But just know, my next video, I will have it all the way together. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below any other videos you'd like to see. And I'm going to be trying to put out a video at least once a week. And it's my final look. Catch you later.